In 1910, John Henry Clissold began weaving some of the finest English cloth from a small mill in Cleckheaton near Bradford. Nearly a century later, a manufacturing process steeped in tradition continues to develop at the Clissold Group in Yorkshire, England. Clissold's cloth manufacturing starts here in lush green pastures, where merino sheep, which are famed for their soft but resilient wool, graze contentedly. The wool grows again each year after shearing and is surely the most environmentally friendly of all fibres, since it is a completely natural product. The physical property of the wool keeps the sheep warm in winter and cool in summer, and these same physical properties are demonstrated in the finished woven cloth. Clissold's designers and representatives travel the world looking at new trends in fabric design. Our skilled pattern weavers translate those designs into woven cloth on state-of-the-art sample looms. The samples are then presented to our international customers for selection. Once the wool fibre has been shorn from the sheep, it's scoured clean and the fibres combed out into long slivers, known as tops. At this point, the tops can be dyed into the colour required, and then spun, again using the most modern machinery to give even, fault-free yarn. After spinning, our yarn is prepared for weaving by winding it onto large warp beams. Substantial investments have been made throughout the whole manufacturing process, but the robotic warping is surely the most technically advanced. All our fabric is woven on the most modern looms at speeds which would have amazed our forefathers, the majority of which are able to apply the woven selvage, which show that the cloth is made in England. The woven material is then subject to stringent quality checks before it can go through to the finishing process. This involves washing in sophisticated scouring machines which are computer controlled to ensure a consistent application to each different cloth. This is one of the points where the nature of the cloth can be changed. A light scour for delicate lightweight fabrics or a long and heavy cycle for flannel types. Soft, clear water from deep beneath the Pennine Hills is used in this process, and it's this water which for centuries has given English cloths their remarkable handle and appearance. When the washed cloth is ready, it has to be dried and set evenly to the correct width on these huge tentering machines. After this, it has to be cropped on the face and back to give a clean and compact appearance. Our cloth has to be capable of withstanding high temperatures and steaming during garment making, so has to be completely stable with just a small residual shrinkage left in order that the garment maker can work the cloth properly, but that it will not shrink further under subsequent processes like dry cleaning. The cloth is then relaxed again and may have final process pressing, depending on the look our designers want to achieve. The cloth then undergoes 2 separate final inspections by our expert staff before being shipped off to our customers. Wool is, in our opinion, the finest of all natural fibres. And at Clissold, we produce luxurious cloth from the finest wool, here in Yorkshire, the heart of England. For further information, visit our website at www.clissold.co.uk. Or alternatively call Clissold on +44 1274 721 455.